Now we're going to do some problems. Let's look at these. We've got a cube over here, 8 foot by 8 foot by 8 foot. Doesn't look much like a cube. We find the area of the base and the height. Let's use the bottom as the base. So the base is simply going to be 8 times 8 equals 64. Height is the distance between the bases, which is going to be 8. So the volume equals 64 times 8 equals, I believe that is 256. Oh, I'm sorry. I was wrong. It is 512 feet cubed. Okay? That was fairly simple. Now we have a triangular pyramid. The bases are triangles. Comes from the name, okay? We need the area of the base. Well, the area of the base is base, which is 3, times the height, which is 1.5, divided by 2, equals, I think that will be 3 times 1.5 times divided by 2, equals 2.25 centimeters squared. Well, the height is the distance between the bases. The distance between the two bases is 4 centimeters. So therefore the volume equals 2.25 times 4 equals 2.25 times 4 equals 9 centimeters cubed. Okay? All right? So this works out pretty simple and pretty quick. Okay, now, here we have a parallelogram prism. Parallelogram prism, parallelogrammal prism, okay, however you want to do it. Okay? Basically, it's an oblique rectangular prism. It's leaning. All right? So, we're given this side and this side, so we're going to let that be the base. And that's going to be 10 times 15 equals 150. Okay? All right? Height is the perpendicular. Notice we're looking at perpendicular distance between the two bases. Pick this as the base, that means the top is the base. Perpendicular distance between those two is 12 feet. This would be 12 foot squared. Okay, so what we're looking at for the volume equals 150 times 12 equals, get that? 1,800 feet cubed. Okay? Pretty simple to come up with. Let's look at our last example for prisms. This is a trapezoidal prism. Bases are trapezoids, okay? So we have to find the area of a trapezoid. So our base is trapezoid. We add the two bases. We got a 4 plus 2 divided by 2. And we're going to multiply that times 1.5 equals. So let's do that. .5 centimeters squared. The height is the distance between the two trapezoids, okay? The distance between the trapezoids is 6. So therefore the volume is simply going to be 4.5 times 6 equals 27 centimeters cubed. Okay? Urge you to look at these three, find out what we're doing, and go from there. These work pretty fast. Not anything like the surface areas. All we have to do is find the area of that base, and if we have enough information, it's pretty simple. When we have to go start hunting and looking for information for that base, it becomes a little more difficult. Now let's do some problems on cylinders.